Hello everybody, thank you for joining me as I unbox my new planner from MochiThings. I love this company. The last planner they got to me was amazing and I'm going to do another video on it. I think I did like a flip through when I first got it, but now I have another one. It's a different type. And I do have the box turned over because my address is on the other side. But I had a kind of funny incident with this box, which I will cut the video in right here. Good job. Yeah, so my mail carrier put the box into my mailbox because it would go in on his end, but on my end there's a lip and I could not pull it out because of how our lock for the little cubby holes are. And it was weird. I was super lucky. I went out to check if they had gotten it out yet, and he was driving up right then, so I just waited and I was like, "Excuse me, sir, I can't get the thing." He was very kind. So here we are, and I'm gonna pull it over here to open the box so you don't see my address. Okay, I'm redoing this part because I opened up the box and my address was like right there, so skipping that. But besides that, we have this is like the MochiThings logo, but he's got, I was like, what's this red thing? It's Rudolph. He's like a reindeer, so that is super cute. I like that sticker a lot. And then here's the thing. It's got this, their special red packing tape. If I can get it. There it is. Oh man. So, oh, this is super cold because it's cold outside. So this is the Mon Journal. Are you focused? Come on, focus. There you go. Okay, this is the Mon Journal 2019 weekly planner in ivory. I feel like this ivory is really kind of beigey and less ivory, but I mean, that's fine. And yes, I guess this is the name of the brand. Come on, focus. I think the shininess is throwing it off. There we go. Spring Come and buy, oh, check. And Spring Come and maybe that's the brand. I am not sure, but here it is. It's encased in plastic. I shall open it. I've now taken the plastic off, and I do want to mention right here that I know sometimes people order things from certain websites and they'll say, oh, it has a strong chemical smell and it's really gross. I'm not getting anything like that with this. So let's see. We have an elastic band. We have a little piece of paper that's on here as a little decorative band. I'm gonna take that off. Okay. And let's see. So I see that the cover is kind of indented from where the ribbon was, which is to be expected. And it looks like the board on this side looks kind of wonky, but it doesn't seem to be affecting anything. There is a pocket here at the back. And then we open it up. This paper feels very nice. It's very sturdy. And I've got that page. Got a 2019-2020 calendar. Oh no, it's a yearly plan. Oh dear. What's funny is I actually saw this typo on their website and I thought, oh, that's not going to be in there. That must have been like an early image, but no, it's definitely a yearly plan. So, oh, we have November. Oh, wow. So November's in here. So I've missed this entire month. It's this little piece of paper. Okay, November. But you see what the weekly layout is. It starts on Monday. There are these nice huge boxes. And also this space here for you to add in anything else. Sundays are all red. Okay. December. And here's December. And we go through and we have all the months, and it's very simple and clean, and there's something special happening here in September. It's probably Korean holidays, because Korean holidays are always marked in these. And this is a lay flat planner. That's something that was advertised on the website, and I can just turn to any page and smooth the pages down, and they do stay, which is nice. So we get to the end of next December, and we have some grid pages. They're all very nice quality. It feels like good paper. Then we have some lined pages. That was about 14 pages. And then we have completely blank. And then at the very back, you have the space to put your name, birthday, phone number, email, and a motto, which I think is kind of adorable. And then we have this pocket at the back, and yeah, that's it. That is it for this planner. The cover has a leather feel, but it's not leather. And I like that. That makes it seem like sturdy. I also like that this isn't bright white, even though I like bright white, just because I feel like it would get dirty really easily. And so hopefully this is better. But yeah, so that is my opening and quick flip through of my new planner from MochiThings. And I am excited to start using it. So thank you for watching. Like this video if you liked it. Consider subscribing. Check out my other videos about my other Korean planner, and have a fabulous day.